Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. You are looking at a fish tail, barrumdi fish shell, which is taken out from 3 kg barrumdi that I bought from DTS Seafood, DTS Home Mart. I'm not sure if you ever actually tasted a 3 kg and above siakap or barrumdi fish before. It actually tastes different. It has actually less siakap smell, lesser siakap smell than the smaller ones. And because some people say siakap got one smell some people doesn't like it. So and then at the same time, it has a much thicker skin that if you really go and deep fry it, the skin will be crispy like a keropok. It really tastes so good. And I love the meat, it is very sweet and tender. Okay, so usually it will be vacuum packed like this, and the thing about DTS Home Mart is their seafood can actually last for 1 whole year inside your freezer. Yes, you hear me correctly, 1 whole year, because they actually use liquid nitrogen to blast freeze the fish in a very short time, and also they put one extra ice glazing after that, and also vacuum pack. Right? So if you want to know where to buy or how to buy, I will put the information in the video description. Just click on the video description, then you will get it. Beautiful. So when you want to cook, just take it out, soak it under water for probably about half an hour. It will be defrost. Yeah, it will be defrost easily like this, and look at how fresh it is. So after that, I'm going to do a assam fish, Muar style assam fish today. Then we will just have some very simple ingredients: 2 pieces of large or big chilies, 2 cloves of garlic. This is 2 pieces of shallots, and assam puree. Yeah, use assam puree. If you want to know where or what are the detailed ingredients, I'll put inside the video description as well. Right. Today I'm going to do it slightly different. Instead of cooking the fish in the assam broth, I'm actually going to steam the fish and make the broth separately. Okay, get ready your steamer. The water must be boiling, yeah? And very carefully, we put in the fish. I have made 2 slits, 2 side slits on the fish body so that it can steam easier. And I actually purposely use a smaller plate so that when I put it in, it somehow raise the fish a little bit so that you can have a more evenly steaming area. And I sprinkle a little bit of salt on top. You can put a bit of ginger on top if you like also, no problem. So I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to use, after closing the lid, we are going to use medium high heat to steam it for, this is very thick, yeah? It's at least 500-600 grams. I would say maybe I will steam it for about 10 to 12 minutes, right? So while the fish is steaming, we won't be wasting our time. Get your chopper or your blender, put in the chili. You can add belacan powder if you like, no problem. Let me see if I still got any belacan powder. I got some belacan paste. Up to you whether you want to put in or not, optional. Okay. Then let me add a little bit of water just to ease the blending process. Don't put too much water, just a little bit will do. And usually I like to add in some oil to make the blends more fine. Push it down. So when you add oil into the blender, it will make the whole thing more creamier. Okay, done. Okay, so you want to put some oil. You can use a bit more oil here because every time when you are dealing with chili paste, do put in more oil. Then we can slowly saute this chili paste for a couple of minutes. Still got some left on top of the cover, don't waste. Let me clear my kitchen top. Right, by the way, you can also use dried chili, but you need to rehydrate your dried chili, then only you blend it. Yeah, if you use a dried chili, it may even give you a nicer reddish color. Today, Appa did not soak any dry chili beforehand, so I'm using fresh chili. Or you can mix both also can, up to you. Continue saute this for a couple of minutes. Okay, this is after about 3-4 minutes. I'm going to add in some belacan paste. I'm using belacan paste today. You can use belacan powder, about 1 teaspoon. This is optional. If you have it, you put it in. If you don't have, it's okay. Don't worry about it. I'm going to continue sauteing it. You can notice the chili oil started to come out, and the color is getting reddish, more and more reddish in color. Ooh, the belacan paste, strong flavor. Continue saute this under medium heat. You want to char it, but you would want to char it, but don't burn it. Okay. Okay, this is after probably about 7-8 minutes. It's a little bit char, but not burnt yet. Yeah. So that is the time you can actually take out the chili and set it aside first. The very unique thing about this Muar Assam fish is the chili is actually char, but be very careful. If it's not char, it's going to be burnt. So you have to be very careful. Yeah, give it another 10-20 seconds, you will be burnt already. But now it's actually char, so it's very fragrant, very fragrant. That is the beauty of it. Okay, then after that, we can give it some hot water here. This is to make the broth. Raise the heat. This is the assam puree. Repeat about 1.5 tablespoons. I always use assam puree rather than the normal assam paste because assam puree is so super easy. You just scoop out and use. You don't have to take out the seeds. There's no seeds inside. It's already taken out. The fish is already ready at the side. I'll just leave it there, and we just want to prepare the broth. And I did not wash the. Notice I did not wash the wok just now. Some of the chili oil is still inside. That is the flavor we want also. Don't throw it away. So let's season this broth. We already have the assam inside. Give it a bit of salt. And some sugar. I'm adding a little bit of my homemade chicken powder, but this is optional. I'm not sure when the video is shown whether this chicken powder is already ready for sale or not. Not an easy process, but it's optional, yeah? This is homemade, 100% natural. If you are interested, let me know. Fragrant. So now we just need to adjust the taste. Let me see. I don't mind giving a little bit more assam. This hot weather, take some assam is beautiful. And let me add a bit of fish sauce, my favorite fish sauce from Vietnam. I'm trying to get them to come on my onto my Life with Cooking Apa session. Hopefully they can. Invite somebody from Vietnam. That's going to be very interesting, right? All right, done with the broth. Okay, so we have our char chili paste, the assam broth, and also the steamed fish is done. You can see all the fishy water coming out. This is actually exactly the reason why I steam it rather than to cook it together. So that later when I take out the fish, I'm going to remove the fishy water, so that this fish will be seriously totally out of any fishiness. Okay, so now I just need to combine these three things together. Okay, so I put it into a serving plate here. So this is the giant fish tail without the steamed fish water. Many people will ask about how to remove fishiness of the fish. Fish will definitely have some fishiness, but there are ways on how you can remove it. One of the way is by removing the steamed fish water. Okay, then after that, second thing, this is the assam broth. Oh, this is not the Malay style of the assam dish. Okay, that will add a lot more ingredient like daun, kesum, and things like that. You can find it from my other videos. Not this one. This is a different style. I always go and eat it when I go back to Muar. Specialty from Muar. You can only find this dish in Muar. Okay, and then our char chili paste. And like I mentioned, if you are not careful, it's going to be burnt chili paste. Then everything is going to be very bitter. So make sure it's only char and not burn, yeah? Ooh. When it is char, it adds extra flavor. When it is burnt, you cannot eat. Alright, done. Very simple. Okay, so this is my Muar assam fish today. The thing to really take note on this dish is when you make the chili paste, because this is a burnt chili paste. Char chili paste, meaning you really want to saute until it is slightly burnt, okay, not until burnt. Yeah, just one step before burn, then it's going to taste really good. Okay, so if you like my very simple video today, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Apa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Apa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Apa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.